Run, 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 run. Hey guys, it's a Visit Culture Detective here investigating your Run, run, run. Memes, and today I'm gonna talk about memes. So once again, for every first day of the month, I will do one of these best memes video where I talk about the best and also the worst memes of the previous month. But also I will not do a video of this kind in December, or more like in early January. So there are a bunch of December memes that I have to talk about before I talk about the January memes. First of all, we have when the imposter is sus. Where yeah, I've talked about this meme pretty briefly on my favorite memes of the year video, because it's really friggin' funny. But essentially, we have the video game that is Among Us, and a lot of people have been playing it, and it at this point it's so overplayed, it's so overused, it's so over-referenced. At this point, there is no point in actually enjoying the game. So it's when the imposter is sus. And we have a similar meme about Among Us, and it's the Among Us musical. A lot of people have been joking, haha, there's gonna be a fucking Among Us musical, and whoever's gonna see it is gonna be traumatized forever until the day they die. And of course, in response, YouTube actually made an Among Us musical. The real deal, the actual thing. Unironically. Up next, we have the Spongebob N-word racist thing video. This is actually a meme from 2019, but at the end of 2020, it exploded and got popular again, and different people made different variations of it. There's a British version, there's the Poggers version, there's the Cracker version, and I saw that and I'm like, damn, I want to make one too. So I made a Ching Chong version, and then turns out like two other people, like, no, at that point only one other person had already made it. But another person made another one after me. But I didn't know. I thought I was the first one to do the Ching Chong. And then a lot of people hopped onto the bandwagon. There's the crowd. There's the Southern American. And there's the this. There's the that. There's the clankers. There's the whatever. And it's blowing up, and it's great because of this meme. My channel got like 100 subscribers over one night. And it's terrifying. It's terrifying. You know, normally if I wake up one day and see that I got 3 more subs, I would be happy. But 100 more subs? Now that's scary. Alright, next one is POV. You have never felt the touch of a woman. Essentially, we have a bit of an animation where it's like 02 from Darling in the Franxx, very famous female character from Japanese cartoons, aka anime. 02, she's a waifu, she's a darling, and she's dancing on the screen very cutely, and and then it's like, it's not even this meme originally, like this video is originally from like Muse Dash or something, like a rhythm game or something, and 02 wasn't even a part of it, but somebody made 02 a part of it. Now it had become a meme. Haha, very funny. Next one is Yee ass haircut. Famous, iconic, absolutely legendary, certified hood classic GTA meme. Yee ass haircut, kinda low, come up in yo crib. And once again, there are lots of variations of it. Kermit's saying it, anime characters are saying it, everybody's insulting Lamar, and the whole world insults Lamar, and it's pretty funny, haha. Next one is a small and extremely confusing meme that is Drip Goku. Imagine Goku, but with drip. Moving on, we have the January memes. Of course, given that we have Drip Goku, now we have Drip Cereal, where there are cereal boxes sitting on top of two shoes, wearing a hat, wearing a cap, and that's the meme. And I love this one way more than the Goku Drip one, because this one is with an exquisite taste. So, yeah, cereal drip, shout out. Next up, we have the run, run, run meme, where some dude on Omegle decided to prank people by opening his eyes so wide and so big you can see the whites. Like, I don't know how does he do that. Holy shit! Like, his eyeballs are about to pop out at any given moment, but he just says run, 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 and then people would be scared, and then he's gonna be like, and yeah, shout out to that guy. Next up is but if you close your eyes. This one is also, in my opinion, the least funniest meme of January. The most unfunny. Every time this meme plays, every time I watch one of these meme videos, I'm just like the Easter Island emoji, just. So, yeah, it's essentially like this song playing, like, oh, if you close your eyes, and then like something's gonna change, like if it's like my video, like if you close your eyes, and then I'm just gonna be gone, like. Yeah, afterwards we have RTX Morshu, as if my nightmares aren't scary enough. Not only do we have a 2D version, now we have a fucking 3D version of Morshu going. Just kill me already. Next up, we have 64 bits, 32 bits, 16 bits, 8 bits, 4 bits, 2 bits, 1 bit, half a bit, 1 byte, half a byte, whatever. And like the video quality gets worse and worse and worse. Again, super old meme. I think it's from that one guy. I forgot his name, but it's like it became like popular for like 2 days, and then that's it. Kind of funny, I guess. Not really. Up next, we have sea shanties. This is one of the better memes of January, in my opinion, where people actually suddenly care about sea shanties, the kind of songs that pirates pirates would sing on pirate ships during like the late 1800s and stuff. And I really love it when certain genre of art or music or movie like cinema suddenly reemerge out of nowhere for no reason whatsoever. I love it when that happens, and that kind of happened to sea shanties, and I absolutely love it because, if you know me, I'm a huge fan of The Lighthouse and the movie. So, sea shanties, Lighthouse, cool stuff. I'm editing the video right now, and silly me, I forgot a couple memes. One of them is a $19 Fortnite card. Just remember that it won't work if your DM doesn't work. Second of all, is the whole Godzilla versus Kong meme, because there's this movie where like Godzilla has to fight Kong, like King Kong, and it's a stupid movie premise, but apparently people are excited about it for some reason. And if you ask me whose side I am on, of course, no hesitation, Kong. I am always on King Kong's side. Monkey forever! Next up we have, this one is so close to being my top 3 memes of January. But, technically, anyways, it is the Resident Evil mommy vampire meme. If that even happens to me, I wouldn't be mad. Like, if I have to be killed by her, I wouldn't be mad. I would be glad, okay? that rhymes. like damn, dude. Like if that is the last thing I see before I die, I would die happily. I would die in peace. Hell yeah. But anyways, here's my top 3 memes of January. Number 3, it is not even like a January meme, but I guess it kind of blew up in January of 2021. But I've already known about it in December 2020 because I'm a professional. But yeah, essentially it is number 6. Man urinates on fellow passenger for not being allowed to smoke. And and it's set behind like this Transylvania singing scene. I haven't seen that movie, but like it's set behind that scene, and it's so fucking stupid, and it's so good. It's like what's the name? What's the name of that dude? The number 15 Burger King foot lettuce. This is like the exact opposite of that. Sounds super kind of hyped, kind of energetic, and British. And this is not the only one. You know, we have number 12, cock, and then we have number 7, student watches porn and gets naked. Absolutely hysterical, absolutely amazing. Love his voice, explosions, wow, haha. Number 2 favorite meme of the month is Bernie Sanders sitting in a chair on inauguration day. Bernie Sanders has always been a bit of a memester. Ever since in I think 2019 or yeah, I think 2019 he was like, I am once again asking for your financial support, and then now we have just him sitting on a chair on inauguration day. Yeah, he's a legend. He is. I actually personally really admire him because for many, many, many years he has been fighting for the same cause ever since like the 1960s. And not many politicians really do that. A lot of politicians get into politics because, hey, it's free money and clout and haha, I get to control stuff. That or maybe politicians originally want to do good but become corrupt as time goes by. That just kind of happens. But that didn't really happen to Bernie Sanders. He remained like a really just grounded, like down to earth dude for like 70 years. And so on, and he's just amazing, and I'm glad he's getting all the attention on the inauguration day. He's a real G. He's a real absolute unit of a person, and I'm just happy about this meme. But my number 1 meme would be the absolutely horrendous bleach to my eyes, the Grubhub ad, the Grubhub ad. Also, the sister, that is the Kroger ad. Now, I don't know what is a Grubhub or a Kroger. I am not American. I don't know what is a Trader Joe. Is it like a cafe? Is it like a store? I don't know. I've never eaten Domino's pizza or Taco Bell in my entire life. So I don't know any of these like bed and share, bed and breakfast. What's that store called? I don't know. But and then there's this GameStop thing recently, like this GameStop Robinhood thing. I've no idea what are these things. I've never heard of these things. I have no idea what's going on. But a Grubhub ad, literally one of the worst ads I have ever seen in my entire life. It's so fucking terrible. It has to be the best meme of the month. Like, just goddamn. Just, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, it's so... This is an ad. It's like food delivery or something like that. And there's this dude and he's like eating something and then he's dancing and then he enters like a trance where some other people are dancing around, like drinking milkshake and stuff. And there are like 5 characters in this ad, actually 6. And everyone who's seen this ad has like a specific character they hate. Like someone really hates the salad girl, like the pregnant girl who eats like a salad and then breaks her legs. There's the milkshake girl. No, the one who breaks her legs is the milkshake girl. The salad girl is the one who's like doing this, and then there's the brother and sister one. Like, it's so bad, every second of it. The music, the squeaky ass music. And as if that's not terrible enough, we have the Kroger ad where a bunch of clay men and women in a store, they were like they were like they were like installing an app or something, and then suddenly they start dancing like low, 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 and then they just fucking descend into the ground or something, and then everybody does that, and it kind of spreads like a fucking disease. Yeah, it's terrible. It's disgusting. It's gross. Absolutely abomination of an ad. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So, what are your favorite ads of the month from 1 to 10? Whatever. Comments below, let me know. Thanks for watching. Explosions.